Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Land in Email. I am MD Faraz, I'm the founder of Land in Email. So in this video we'll talk about how you can, buy Google Workspace and connect into Land in Email. So as you can see, currently I have bought the Google Workspace. So you can watch some other videos how you can buy the Google Workspace. So currently let's just go to the technical part. Once you are done over this, you have to just you know uh, integrate these technical things, which is very easy. As you can see how I'm doing this, there are some txt records which I am just putting over here in the hostinger domain. You can just go to the domain editor. Okay, let me just finish this. Just watch carefully how I'm doing this. So I've just added the record. Now yeah, so it takes some time to verify. Okay, my domain is verified. So now I want to activate this. Okay, I would say it's little expensive, Google Workspace, but it has a very good deliverability. So it's asking me to add MX records. MX record is very important. You have to add this on your domain. Until you doesn't add this, your mails will land. It won't even integrate, guys. It will directly land in spam. So I'm just putting all the records which is given by the Google Workspace. So priority is 1. So yeah, it's done. So I'll just confirm it. So guys, make sure you watch this video carefully. It's little technical. Even if you are a non-technical guy or a fresher, just by watching this video you will understand how I'm doing this. It's very simple, guys. See, for any email to work, you need a domain and the technical things, which is CNAME, TXT records, MX records, domain key, DKIM. So let me just refresh hostinger, and it's taking a little time to get activated. Sometimes it takes 24 hours, guys. Don't panic if it's not happening immediate on things. Before that, I have to enable two-step verification. That's mandatory even if you are doing Gmail or Google Workspace. So you just apply the password. Just put your password and just enable the two-step verification. Put your mobile number or any mobile number which you are going to use. So over here I'm going to put my mobile number. Let me just search for the India. Okay, I got this, and let me just put my number. So they will send me in verification. Guys, remember, until you do two-step verification, you won't be able to access Google Workspace. So the code is, let me put my code. Guys, I'm going to blur this. I hope you guys understand this process. It's very simple process, guys. No technical background needed. So it's done. Okay, yeah, perfect. So let me just okay. So the next step is I'm going to find the app password. Let me type that. Yeah, so over here I will put it land in email and Nora's something similar to that. Even you can put whatever you wish to over here. So I got the app password. Guys, do not use this app password. It's applicable only for the one person. So when you get this, keep that saved in some doc or sheet. So just click on new server, just select SMTP, the customized SMTP. The app password, the SMTP password is the app password. The host name will be smtp.gmail.com and the username will be my Google Workspace email account. understand this. The password is app password. The Gmail is let me just show you guys so you don't get confused. The one which I created now, that is faraz@nooraz.com. So let me get back over here. I showed you guys. Okay, this is the app password. So let me put the email, which is okay, the port 587, and the SMTP encryption method, I will put that as an TLS. Let me save this. Yeah, see guys, in just fraction of minutes we connect.